Greetings! Just a quick update video to let y'all know that my latest Patreon tutorial is up. This month we are making the Tavern windows pattern, which is probably one of my most popular designs and requested designs to do. It is very shiny and very delightful, and I like the way it looks like stained glass, and it kind of reminds me of medieval windows, but anyway, this is what we are going to be making this month. And in addition, as a thank you to all of my patrons, I am going to be giving away a PDF pattern of my Crystal Lilies design. So, everyone who is a patron from now until March 31st is going to get a free PDF copy of the Crystal Lilies necklace design. Now, I normally charge $15 for this piece because it is very extensive and very complicated, but you can get it for just $1. So, if you would like to sign up to get this glorious design, come and check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/odins.musings and become a member of the Muser tier or higher, and I will send this to you in April. So, that's it for me. Have fun in these classes, and I will see you there. Bye-bye!